Here's the app called LIFESUM Food and Calorie Tracker. So yeah, you can just install it. And yeah, just double click to install it in here. Healthy eating simplified with AI. A revolutionary way to track your meals enhanced by AI. Welcome to a new era of nutrition tracking tailored to your style. With new LifeSum experience, you can choose to log your meals by snapping a photo, using your voice, typing a text, or scanning a barcode. We made food tracking easy so you can make more healthy choices for your body and mind. Join 65 million users on the path to better health, smarter, simpler meal tracking, top LifeSum features, calorie counter, macro tracker, and food rating. Nutrition plans for weight management and body composition, water tracker, fruit, vegetable, and fish tracker, meal plans with grocery lists included, integration with fitness trackers for in-depth health monitoring, life score test for personalized nutrition recommendation, weight management, and healthy eating. Beyond Calories, a complete wellness solution, seamless integration with your lifestyle, all you need for a customized experience. So yeah, pretty cool app where you can just open it up and then get started. So then there is a long onboarding process. So then you just go in here. These are the questions you will have. Then you just enter in your date. Then you just enter it in your height. So yeah, that's your current weight. It's your goal weight. You just can enter, and then you can see it like that, supporting, and then yeah, you can just start creating the account, and then eventually I guess they will just ask me to upgrade. So yeah, then cookies, then yeah, here is your plan, how you can start it with it, and then we want to try LifeSum for 50% off, cancel anytime, and then there is accept 50% off, and then basically this is the price. So yeah, it's still quite expensive. So it's almost like $70 for 1 year. Then this is just the price in Danish kronos, and like 1,300, like around like that. I don't know, like $60 for with a 50% discount, or 130, 120, something like that for a full year. But yeah, then you can still kind of, I guess, access the very limited free version of the app. And then basically this is kind of meal logger app where you just tap the plus icon and you just enter in your activities. You enter in breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. So for example, I had a snack. You can then just search for like banana. You just add in it here. You can see how many carbs, protein, and fat you got from that, and then just tap done, and then you added your first meal, and that's basically the idea. And then you can see how many calories left for that. Also then, so you can see that the dinner, lunch, and how maximum calories you can have. You can have like, maximum 135 calories for breakfast, lunch, and then there is water. Then you can also start some fasting, and then you can also start a goal. So you can start as exercise list. So then, for example, you can just barbell workout, and then you just add in, oopsie. So now you, as you can see, you burned 417 calories, and then you have more calories left. So it's really nice kind of like tracking. of it. It's super easy. And then of course you can just scan the food either with camera or the, I guess, yeah, you can scan the barcode. I don't know if you can take a photo and then it will recognize it. Probably not, but yeah, here's just, you just log in. And then there are all kind of programs, all kind of plans which you can take a look at. And there are recipes. So, you don't need many apps like that. You just need to decide. There is another one called Calorie AI, which is also quite powerful. Then there is this one, LIFESUM, and there is another ones in these categories. And, just it can make sense to buy basically one of these apps. You just need one. And especially when you're fasting or trying to lose weight, you can try this out for like few months, 1 to 3 months, and see if it actually helps. But you need to get into the habit that you really, when you're taking breakfast, you log in your calories. When you're taking a quick snack, you log in everything. And then you might see why your calories intake is much higher than which calories you're burning. And that can help you out. Of course, it's not super precise, but it can give you a trend that, if you're eating like 2 burgers each day, that's like too much. Then you need to work out like 3 hours a day or something. So then, yeah, you can see some kind of trend and which changes you need to do to your lifestyle. So that can be quite good idea. So yeah, that's the app LifeSum. Check it out.